Hello viewers, if you are a Capricorn or even if your moon sits in Capricorn, there's a quiet shift moving through your week from 16th to 20th of the April 2026. And it may not arrive loudly or dramatically, but it will likely touch some things you have been quietly carrying for a while now. Something you have been overlooking, or perhaps something you have chosen not to fully confront yet. And the interesting part is, it won't feel like a sudden change. It will feel more like a realization slowly settling in, almost as if a truth beneath the surface finally becoming harder to ignore. And you might notice this especially in moments when you are alone, when your mind drifts, or when you are trying to focus, but something keeps pulling your attention back. Have you been feeling slightly mentally tired lately, or even without doing much, or finding yourself overthinking small things more than usual? Because that's where this week being for you, not externally but internally. With the sun moving through your fourth house, there's a strong focus on your emotional foundation, your home environment, and your sense of inner stability. And while Capricorn is naturally practical and composed, this placement can make you more reflective than usual. You may find yourself thinking about past decisions, family dynamics, or even questioning whether you have been prioritizing the right things. It's not about regret, it's more about resettlement. And alongside this, the moon's movement through sensitive areas of your chart during midweek could heighten your emotional awareness, making you more aware of what feels slightly off. Not wrong, just not fully aligned. And when Saturn, your ruling planet, continues its steady influence, it asking you to be honest with yourself, not in a harsh way, but in a grounded, realistic way. Are you building something sustainable, or are you just maintaining something out of habitat? This question may come up more than once this week, especially when it's come to your finance, because financially this is not a careless or impulsive week. It quite the opposite. There's acquisitions energy around money, and you may feel a strong need to hold back, to think twice before spending, or to reconsider certain financial decisions. If you have been under any kind of financial pressure recently, whether it builds responsibility or simply the desire to feel more secure, this week may bring a moment where you realize the importance of tightening things lightly, not out of fear, but out of awareness. Rahul's position could create a stubborn temptation to take a risk, perhaps something that looks applying on the surface, maybe an investment or a quick decision or even a purchase that feels justified in the moment. But deep down, you might already sense that it's not the right time. There is where your natural Capricorn instinct becomes important. Slow down, give yourself space to think, and don't let short-term emotion guide long-term decisions. Because while there may not be sudden financial gains this week, there is definitely an opportunity to create stability, to organize, and to become more intentional with your resources. And sometimes the matter more than quick wins. Now, when it's come to your work or daily responsibility, Mars bring a stable push, not aggressive but noticeable. You may feel slightly more driven to get things done, to clear tasks, or to bring structure into areas that have felt scattered. But at the same time, there could be moments of frustration if things don't move as smoothly as you liked. Perhaps delays, misconception, or simply the feeling that you are putting in effort without immediate results. And this can test your patience. But the key here is consistency, not intensity. Don't need to rush anything this week. You just need to stay steady because progress is happening. And even if it's not immediately visible, and emotionally, this week carries a softer, more introspective tone, especially in your relationship, whether it loves, family, or close connection, there may be a sense of emotional distance, not necessarily conflict, but a lack of deep communication. You might feel like you're holding things in, or that the other person is not fully expressing themselves, and can this can create a quiet tension. Nothing dramatic, just a stable feeling that something is not being said. Have you noticed that lately? Conversation that stay on the surface, or moment where you want to say more but choose not to. This week gently encourage you to acknowledge that, not force it, not confront it aggressively, but simply become aware of it, because sometimes emotional clarity begins with recognition, not in action. And if you are in a relationship, this could be a time where both of you are processing things internally, not drifting apart, but not fully connecting either. And that's okay for now. Not every phase needs resolution immediately. For some of you, there may also be family-related thoughts or expectation coming into focus. Perhaps responsibilities that feel heavier than usual, or a sense that you are being relied on more than you expected. And while Capricorn naturally carries responsibility well, this week asks you to also consider your own boundaries, and you are living too much without checking in with yourself. Or are you holding back when you actually need support? The small reflection can make a big difference. And as the week moves towards the 19th and 20th, there's a noticeable shift. The emotional weight being to see is slightly, not because everything changed, but because your perspective does. You may find yourself feeling a bit clearer, a bit more grounded, and more willing to accept things as they are rather than overanalyzing them. And this is where your strength lies, in your ability to stay calm, to stay patient, and to trust your own things. So, practically, what should you focus on this week? Keep things simple, organize your finance, avoid unnecessary risks, and don't rush into decisions, especially midweek when your emotions may feel slightly heavier. If there's something important to discuss or decide, the later part of the week feels more balanced emotionally. Give yourself space. You don't need to solve everything right now. Just observe, reflect, and allow things to unfold naturally. And most importantly, trust that even these parts, uncertain moment as part of your growth. There's not setbacks, they're adjustment. And before this week's end, you may quietly realize something important, not something dramatic, but something meaningful. Something that helps you feel a bit more aligned, a bit more in control, and a bit more at peace with where are you. And if you have been feeling this lately, if any part of this sound familiar to you, then you are already more aware than you think. Just don't ignore this awareness. It's guiding you in the right direction. And as always, if you find these insights helpful and want to stay in tune each week, you're always welcome to follow again. Take care and goodbye.